Hello everyone. Whenever I try to speak in English language, my mind goes blank. The words don't come to my mind. Why is this happening? Is this happening only with me or with everyone who is a beginner, who just started learning this language, who are just facing these kinds of difficulties? So let's begin the video. So let's break the misconception that I am only the person who is facing this difficulty. No, not at all. This is not right. I cannot learn this language. You can. When I was beginner, I also used to face the same problem a lot. तो ऐसा होता है ना कि जब हम कोई चीज को याद करने की कोशिश करते हैं उसी समय वो चीज हमें याद नहीं आती है. राइट? एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? Guys, let me tell you something. Everyone faces the same level of difficulty. Whether you are talking about me, I also used to face the same level of difficulty. In the beginning, I was worried about how can I think in English language, how can I stop translating English language. The words did not used to come to my mind when I used to speak. Whenever I used to think perfect word in my mind that I just have to speak this word when I will try to speak in front of the public. That word did not used to come to my mind at that time, at that real situation. The word did not used to come. I was very troubled. I was troubled. So guys, सौ की एक बात. Everyone faces the same level of difficulty. Just clarify your misconception that I am only that person who is facing this difficulty. ऐसा नहीं है, सब लोग फेस करते हैं. जो अभी बहुत ही अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं ना, उन्होंने भी सेम लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज फेस करी हुई है. तो आप उससे टेंशन मत लो और आप जस्ट लर्न करते रहो. और ये एक प्रोसेस है, उस प्रोसेस में आप हो ऑलरेडी. यू आर ऑलरेडी हैव बीन इंडल्ज्ड इन दैट प्रोसेस. यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्पीक in this language and you are a warrior, not a coward person. Okay, so I will tell you the solution. How can you break this problem? How can you break this problem? How can you win this problem? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you some points that you must be aware about. Guys, the problem occurs when we are trying to find a perfect word, when we are just looking for a perfect word at the real time situations. For example, I am just trying to speak. मैं बहुत बुरा महसूस किया. मैंने बहुत बुरा महसूस किया उस चीज के लिए. तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर डिवास्टेटेड. सो बट मैं सोच रहा हूँ उस वर्ड को. That word is not coming to my mind at that time. So I just had to speak. I was devastated. So I can just find a substitute for this sentence. I can say I was feeling really, really bad. I was feeling really, really bad. So that is a substitute for that sentence. I can say, I was feeling really, 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 really bad instead of saying I was devastated. So I'm just saying to you that find a substitute. For example, we had to say the movie was mind blowing. माइंड ब्लोइंग शब्द हमारे माइंड में नहीं आ रहा है, तो हम इसके स्थान पर एक सब्स्टिट्यूट उपयोग कर सकते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ माइंड ब्लोइंग. वी कैन से द मूवी वाज अमेजिंग. द मूवी वाज amazing. So that is the substitute. We have found the substitute and we can use. Here is the solution. So this is how you will be able to find the substitute and you can speak. You can continue your conversation. And guys, the substitute will help you to continue your conversation. Your conversation will not be stopped at that time because you have forgotten the word, the perfect word, but you have found something, the substitute. The solution of this problem, the extreme level of solution of this problem is you have to practice, and practice is the only thing that will make you perfect, that will make you the suitable for every situation, that will give you the perfect words. As much as practice you do, the words will fix in your mind, and whenever you will try to speak, the perfect words will come to your mind automatically. This is the process, and practice is the only thing that can make you perfect at somewhere, that can make you perfect in every situations. So there is no other substitute of the practice. You will have to do practice. So I will highly recommend that you have to practice a lot every day. You have to find new circumstances where you just have to speak. You just have to try to indulge yourself in a very uncomfortable situations. That is how you will be able to solve these kinds of uh, uncomfortable situations. So guys, finally I think you have got this, you have got the solution of this problem. How can you fix this problem? I have told two steps. That number one, you have to find the substitute, that is the temporary solution for that, for that problem, and the permanent solution is the practice. And the practice is the only thing that will make you perfect, that will give you the perfect words at the real time situations. And guys, let me tell you the reality. Many guys would have left this video in the beginning, in the beginning of 1 or 2 minutes of the video, and they are not serious at all. They don't want to learn this language. If you have come to the end of the video, you are very serious guy, and you are genuinely giving the time. That's why you have watched this video till the end. Hats off to you, hats off to you guys. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, so that you can watch my every video that I will be uploading. And I am going to start the comprehensive input videos where you will not feel boring. You will learn a lot in every video. Will be the Those videos will be in real time situations. I will give the examples in every videos. I will show you the examples. So if you like this video, please like. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.